Go. Let's make it right again. Heel through Jennifer and I. Keep going. Turn right again. Heel right through us. Pay her.
Oh.
Good job.
All right. Good girl. Ah. Nice.
Marge, this time, build her a little bit, grab the ball, walk up to her, ask her to sit. You get beside her, put the toy underneath her arm, and go into the heel. Nice. You almost exploited that. Again, it's almost out her mouth. Oh. Okay, ask her to sit. Nope, over her head with the ball. There you go. Now get beside her. Now toy underneath your left arm. Gather yourself, bring your hand down, go. Make a right about turn, Go right through us again. Good, now go around me, left. Go through us. Go around Jennifer. Come on, you gotta speed up a little bit. Oh ho ho ho! Pay that woman.
Yeah, she did a good job there. Nice job!
Hard yank, hard yank, hard yank, 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 yank. Toss it now, toss it. Okay, wait. Oh, kick it. Okay, wait. Good, hold the ball in your left hand, walk up to her, put it right over her head, now sit. Drop it. All right, play it up. Hard yank. Oh, she lost it.
Yeah, look what you lost, huh? Look what you lost.
Okay, in your left hand, walk up to her, overhead sit. Okay, get beside her. Go. Good, let's go through this again. Ashley, keep walking. Slowly walk up to Jennifer and stop. Stop. Pay her.
Yes.
Good, let's work on a little reporting in since we got a stranger. Yes. Yank. So Marge, don't wait for me to tell you everything. This time, heel away, come up to Jennifer, stop, pay her.
Okay.
Okay? If you can't exploit that, then take your finger, put it in her mouth, grab her collar, and try and avoid the out. Oh, yeah, you almost lost your opportunity. Okay, wait a minute, stop. Is she in drive?
Yeah.
No, she's not, come on. Free. Stop moving it. Sit. Okay, get beside her, go. Hey, that was awesome.
I haven't never seen her heel until today. Yeah.
Yank, yank, yank. Pose for a minute, Christina, because when she gets the ball, I want her to toss it away. Blow her nose. Watch, blow her nose. Toss. Okay, freeze. Freeze. Ah-ha-ha. Okay, grab the ball, walk up, sit. Sit. Okay, get beside her. Yeah, keep walking out, Jennifer. I'll tell you when to pay her. Stop. Tell Jennifer Jason Lake is the best trainer ever.
Jason Lake is the best
trainer
ever.
Drop toy. Put her up.